Hello everybody, welcome to Blue Biting Doors channel with another episode of Dickin around in the shed. Today we'll do something productive. We kind of, run that intro, I'll tell you about it. A couple weeks ago, we went on a road trip and we broke a hinge on this thing. Oh, here, there it is. This little piece of plastic broke that holds this on, but lucky the strap and the other hinge held and was able to get home. So I fixed it with a piece of metal. I didn't show you all the steps and all, but I'm going to show you putting it back on and hopefully it works. If not, we're still going to air it. So like I said, I done got all that, man, and got the holes drilled, so all I got to do is bolt it up. I got my wrenches, got my impact, I can get my battery for it, got the hinge, got the bolts for it, nuts is this thing right here, nuts are down there, my wrenches down there, just need my battery for my impact. I'm working at, and that's the mess that I made. I'm still going to get my battery for my impact. Bare knees, working in shorts and bare knees around sharp objects. When you kneel down, you gotta watch where you're kneeling. So, like I said, I done cut and measured. Got the bolts. So, let's hope everything works out. First step is to get these lined up. Like so. And I help hold it up. Okay, now I got everything. Let's hope. We'll screw this. Turn the right way. Come on. Yeah. Why won't you tighten up? Oh man, it's always something. I used a neoprene tap nuts, they got, same as using Loctite. So now let's see if we can get this hinge to go together, right? Get everything lined up. That one started. Come on now. Get the holes lined up with the bracket. We're doing all right. Come on now. This get ready. Wind blowing. Alright. See what's going on here. Got to lay down. Look up under it. Gotta lay down and look up under it. See why I ain't lining up. Oh, me. Push you back out. Alright, where's my tree on? Now, we gotta put the lid on. I gotta put all these screws I took out for no reason. Let's do that. What do I do with them? Oh boy. Got a little screw right here that holds this cable. I'm gonna put it back on. Said it was. That way it can hang and help me hold it. I'll get the hinges.
We got the shock on the back. So let's stick this thing together. There's 4. 2 more. Sit up here.
A little warm in here. A little warm. Humid. Very humid. Got it. Just gotta get this last. Will you open? Yes.
Alright, shuts and scroll open. Door.
poor designing on that with that. Anyway, I'm done. Thank y'all for watching. Later.
Woo-hoo, I finished, guys.